Have you ever wondered how off level you are when you take a shot? Or how different accessories that you add to your bow might affect the impulse of your bow? I know I have in a lot of different cases, but there's no way to really tell about it. With Garmin Xero's built-in sensors, now I can tell how level I was after every shot. I can help identify any inconsistencies that I may have in my shooting form because of that. Keep this in mind. Think about this. When you shoot, we want that little bubble to be perfectly level. That's our goal every time. But how can you really know? In your mind, you may think you can. With the Garmin Xero, it's going to tell you if you're rolled a little left or a little right. Obviously, we want to be zero, but this will help us work on our form. Also, keep in mind that Garmin Xero also measures the amount of time your bow is vibrating at extreme levels. It does not register total amplitude or frequency of the vibration, only how long it exactly lasted. After each shot in practice mode, you'll see the impulse duration in milliseconds. For example, if you see 93 milliseconds, your bow was at maximum vibration for almost 1/10 of a second. Experiment with different setups to minimize this number or use it to compare your old bow to your new one. Another cool thing in there is you can look at how many arrows you're shooting in an entire season or in an entire session. You can basically look at this like a mileage counter on your vehicle. How many miles did you drive? Well, how many shots did you take? The Garmin Xero is going to be able to compile all that data for you, whether you want to store it after just one session or the entire year. And it's very simple to do, whether you just want to reset it or let it run all year long. Thanks again for watching another in the series of the Garmin Xero videos. And be sure and check out all the others so you can learn more about how the Garmin Xero bow sights can help you shoot better.
Hey everybody, Don and Kenny Kiske here from Whitetail Freaks.
Yes.
We want to take a few seconds to talk to you about Apex's new sights for 2016.
And the sight that Don has on his bow is the Covert 1 pin, and it has the world's first quick change pin technology.
That's right, it's very simple to change. The removal of one Allen set screw, you can change pin diameter and pin size in seconds. Another nice feature this sight has is a 1.8-inch aperture window.
And I love the glow-in-the-dark shooter's ring, especially for our hunting situations when we hunt in the blinds all the time and it's dark inside.
For sure. Any low light situation, like glow-in-the-dark ring just helps you get on that animal that much more quickly.
One of our favorite things on a Covert 1 pin is the detachable sight bracket.
Yes, this is very cool. Just unscrew the screw and your whole bracket comes off that easy.
That's awesome.
It's perfect. For those backpack trips or you go to, getting ready to go on a hunting trip, you put your bow in your case and you find out the sight sticks out too far. Not a problem now, just take it right off. It's pretty simple.
And it has the 5 preset positions to where it goes right back on your bow exactly where you had it.
Covert. Versa Pin Technology, the world's first quick change pin technology. Change pin size and pin color in seconds. Includes .010 and .019 interchangeable quick change pins. Extra long, fully protected green, red, and yellow fibers. Ultra smooth, easy one-hand adjustment. Gravity line. Rotational adjustment aligns pin movement with gravity. Aperture housing also includes vertical and horizontal tilt adjustments. Adjustable second and third axis illumination levels. Micro adjustable windage and elevation. Accepts a 1.87 magnifying lens, sold separately. Includes over 120 pre-marked yardage tapes to simplify setup. Detachable bracket design, easy bow storage. Precision machined aluminum sight construction. Stainless steel mounting hardware. Adjustable long range yardage stop customizes maximum yardage setting. Adjustable yardage pointer for left and right-handed shooters. Optional quiver mounting bracket allows quiver to mount directly to sight or sit behind the sight for better bow balance.
Hey everyone, this is Brady with Viper Archery Products, and I just want to go over our product with you, the Venom Pro XL. This is our dovetail version of the Venom Pro. As you can see here, the dovetail here unscrews. It goes to a max length of 9 inches all the way down to 6 inches, and you just tighten it up to seat it in place. It also features a threaded hole here for a sight light. That way the sight light goes directly to your fiber optics without putting any glare inside of your housing. It also features our second and third axis screws here. That way you can do all your fine tuning and leveling of your sight. It also has our fully micro-tune windage and fully micro-tune elevation, and also features the course adjustment here with the Allen key head. You just loosen that and you can slide the entire housing left and right, and you can loosen these screws on the housing to move your housing up and down. It comes with 5 pins, green, red, green, red, green. You can order them in 10 thousandths, 15 thousandths, and 19 thousand size pins. It features a threaded end to your housing. That way you can apply the Venom lens kit, or also you can put on the 1750 sunshade to accompany that and reduce some sun glare. So if you have any more questions about this product, please visit us at our website at viperarcheryproducts.com.
Hi, I'm Kevin Wilkerson with Trophy Ridge, and I'm here today to show you the React V5. This is the first sight in our lineup that combines both React technology and vertical inline pin technology, which are both exclusively at Trophy Ridge. Some of the really cool things about the React V5 is the React technology. And for some of you that don't know what that is, it allows you to sight in your 20-yard pin with your elevation and windage blocks, and then sight in one more distance, being your 30, 40, 50, or 60-yard pin. Once you sight that pin in with your bottom adjustment, all of your pins, 30, 40, 50, and 60-yard pins, are going to move in conjunction with each other. Once you've sighted in that 20-yard and one other distance, you're mathematically impossible to be inaccurate at any of those distances. The React V5 also incorporates ballistics copolymer, which is the strength of aluminum but 25% lighter, and it has a soft touch feel for vibration reduction. It also has second axis adjustments. It has toolless micro click windage and elevation blocks, obviously a glow ring, a sight light, and a level for your shooting stability. Please check out our other products at trophyridge.com. And from everybody at Trophy Ridge, thank you for your interest in the React V5.
Hi, I'm Vicki Sancerulo.
And I'm Ralph Sancerulo, host of the Archer's Choice and the Choice TV shows.
We want to share with you the newest version of the Archer's Choice Range Rover Pro.
The ultimate hunting archery sight. My favorite.
The new version of the Archer's Choice Range Rover Pro. New push-button design for easier brightness adjustment. Remembers the last used setting when you turn it back on.
Auto power off. After 4 hours without adjustment, the dot automatically powers off. This saves your battery life.
Over 80 multicolored yardage tapes to calibrate to any speed.
Xero and adjustment dial. It's toolless, micro adjustable, adjustable level, glow ring, lens cover,
and the available magnifying lens.
You know, we have trusted and relied on the innovation and the new technology that TRUGLO has constantly brought to the archery industry.
Right, every year they come out with new products and we're excited to share them with you again. But the biggest thing you have to remember is when brightness counts.
Yep, count on TRUGLO.